Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video, I'm working on a drawing of Spider-Man Far From Home, and for the layout, I wanted this to be a character portrait within a comic panel, and I wanted Spider-Man to overlap that panel to create a 3D effect. And I love working with this kind of layout, where it hopefully helps to make the character stand out. And in this case, once I finished the sketch, I moved on to adding the outlines with a Copic Multiliner SP 0.03. For the colouring of the suit, I used Copic markers, along with a white Prismacolor pencil to add the texture. So for the red colouring, I started with a crimson marker for the base layer, with a bit of light pink around some of the highlighted edges. Then I used the white pencil to add the patterned texture, and it's kind of a cross-hatched pattern curved around the shape of the suit. And it's just all about building up the layers, so after this pencil layer, I then went back to using the markers, adding cardinal, crimson and light pink on top, and also using some cool grey markers to add a bit of shading. Then I used the white GellyRoll pen to add a few brighter highlights to some areas. And it's just the same for the black and grey areas of his suit, but with the black and cool grey markers, adding the textures and the highlights with the white pencil and the pen, and I just continued building up the layers in the same way. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun on this project, and I've been looking forward to trying this drawing for a long time. And in the end, I think it ended up taking just over 11 hours to complete. So be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, and any thumbs up or shares on this video are hugely appreciated. If you want to follow and support my progress, then be sure to check out the links in the description for my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Patreon. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.